Hello, my name is Michael Nerenberg, and I'm presenting Team 11 shirt folder concepts. Up top, we have the drawings of each team member's concepts. In the middle, we have the subfunctions. In the top row, we have receiver user inputs, which includes the button, the switch, the microphone, and the foot pedal. Below that, we have controlling method, which is the Arduino Uno, Raspberry Pi, ESP32, and the Arduino Nano. Below that, we have the power source, which is the external battery, outlet, solar panel, and hand crank. Below that, we have the movement servo, separate motor, pneumatics, and a DC motor. And then finally, we have mechanical folding mechanism, which is the gear arc hinge, standard hinge, lever arm, and the cables. Below this table, we have the pictures of each subfunction, and they correspond to each specific spot in the table. And then finally, up top, we have different combinations of the subfunctions within the concepts. So in the first column, we have my drawings, and within the first top left corner, we have a microphone, Raspberry Pi, an outlet, a servo, and a gear. It's a little blurry to see in this picture, but I have them labeled and I have a brief statement of what everything does in the photo. And then below that, I have a button, a ESP32, a solar panel, a DC motor, and a hinge. This is the drawing I'm actually using for my CAD model, also a little blurry. And then next we have Charlie's drawings, which is in different view as mine, kind of cool. For the first photo, we have the button, Arduino, outlet, servo, and a gear. You can see he has a little bit different design, similar components, but different design. Also has all of his components labeled in here. Below that, we have a switch, Arduino Uno, external battery, the stepper motor, and a lever. He is also catting up the lever one right here. Next up, we have Justin's drawings, which I think are the best drawings, in my opinion. Um, for his first drawing, we have a microphone, Arduino, a hand crank, and cables. I don't think the hand cranks can be the best option out of all of these just because it's not going to give a good enough power source to power the thing without cranking the thing the whole time. So I don't think that's going to be the best option for the console generation. But below that, we have a pedal, Arduino, solar panel, pneumatics, and a lever arm. So he has also has his photo labeled there. This could be a better source than the first one. Both good options though. Next up, we have Colander Riders drawings. And in his first photo, he has a switch, a Raspberry Pi, external battery, servo, and a standard hinge. It's a similar drawing to mine, but he also has all the stuff labeled. Below that, he has a microphone, Arduino, outlet, servo, and a standard hinge. So similar design, a little different, but overall, after we all combine and talk about the ideas, we will narrow down our ideas to just one and focus our project on that one project. Thank you.